And houses, even each house is beautifully painted. Okay, you're given the color of each house. Okay, it's in the Mexican two houses with different colors. Okay. Okay. And the value is very small. Let's see. Okay. So on 0 and yeah, I just check it for every two house, right? So hmm, alright, so what do I check now? So if C of I not equals C of J, answer equals max of answer and J minus I. That looks correct. This is an answer. Let, let me check once. Yeah, seems correct. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. How do I done it? There's no different colors. I think, yeah, it should work. So, okay, there are n plants. Okay, the plants have a measurement row. And they are labeled from 0 to n minus 1. So we're given the location of ith plant. Okay, so 0 like x equals to minus 1. Okay, after looking at the current plant, weekly water is not. Okay, okay, got it. Non-zero. Got it. This seems easy. So we're given the location of plants, right? So let's okay. Okay, so answer, let's call it steps, starting with 0. And then what we do is you iterate over all the plants. These are the requirements for each plant, how much water they require. Okay, so I'll say that if plants of I, if that value system goes to k, uh, let's call it guy. I'm not sure if I need to modify it. That value is greater than equal to guy, then answer plus plus. Okay, and curve minus equal to k. Otherwise, what I have to do is, I'm sure that curve will become k, but answer plus equals what? So let's say I was here. Okay, so for this value, this is not. Okay, so is it possible minus one? Minus one, is it possible? Okay, it's not because the capacity is always greater than the maximum. So answer plus equal to, I'm standing here, so I will need 2 answer plus equals to I plus I plus 1, I think. 2I plus 1, that is. Okay. Curve equals K seems correct. Curry equals to k minus a of I. K minus the answer y. And I simply return the answer. This should be good. 14, 30, 49. Okay, it's not answer, it's steps. Okay, no, it's not correct. Why? I have to go back also, right? No, no, no. Shit, not car minus k, car minus equal to lines of I. This, okay, it's wrong. Why? Oh, it's not steps plus plus. Oh, yeah, it's step plus only, right? I copy I step, and then I take another I steps. Oh no, what am I doing? If only car is greater than that. Yeah, 14, 13, 49. 14, 13, 49. Yeah, that works. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to design something. Frequency of a given value and given subarray. Okay, the frequency of a value in a subarray. Okay, and then the range frequency query. Okay, so we are given the given the range. Hmm. Makes sense. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, so we are given an array, right? I have to find a given range, how many times the given number occurs, right? Yep, this should be easy. How do I do this? Okay, so we're given that the maximum value is 10 power 4. All right, so we'll simply, okay, then what do I do? Um, for what to what's called error for every value in array, I will, okay, not like this because I need the position first of all. Current I equals 0, I less than int error dot size. Got it. So position of array of I dot push underscore back. What this index? Hmm. Okay. Okay. What are these value errors? These are okay, zero based. Good for us. Now it should be easy, right? Um, auto p is equals to man. Okay, there's a method. I think I can use that. Equal range. Whose pause of value dot begin. Pause of value dot end comma. Um, okay, good. Not equal, equal, I cannot use this. Okay, so L is equals to my, okay, so how many numbers in this array? I just need to find this first point and the last point, right? Pos of value dot size minus 1. And if it is 0, then it might come as an issue. Okay, yeah, so I do a binary search. Um, okay, so what do I say? I say that position of value of mid, if this value is what is greater than equals to L. Okay, if this one is greater than equals to L, then X equals, I call it X equals mid, and I'll shift my R to mid minus 1, else L equals to mid plus 1. Cool. I'll have to assign two other variables, which is mm, X and Y. It should be good. Again, yeah, I'll have to do another research. Okay, so if that value is less than equal to, so I'll say कि y is mid and L equals to mid plus 1, whereas R equals to mid minus 1. Return. So if return 0 or y equal to minus 1 return 0, the return y minus x plus 1, this should be good, I think. Let's try this. 0, 1. Okay, it says 1, 2. Okay, into parentheses then. Okay, this is not possible. Why is it happening then? Um, ground value for auto x current position of value. What, okay, I'll just try to label this. Hmm. So here asking for 4, only one 4. This looks correct. If the first one was captured correctly, Why is this? See out mid hyphen position of value of mid hyphen hyphen what hash. You see this? No, this is quite surprising. 0 to 0. Okay, it's not R. What am I doing? This should be left and this should be right. Let's see, I suppose the queries are working. Simply release these. Anything else? Null one two. Yeah, this should be good. Submit. Yeah. Okay, so k-mirror number is a positive integer, right? Not in zeros. That makes a symbol to forwards and backwards in base 10 as well as in base k. Okay, for example, 9 is a two-mirror number. Why? Because 9 base 10 में भी 9 होता है और base 2 में it's 1 0 1. Okay. Given a base k, the number n is the number of sum of n smallest k mirror numbers. Mhm. Okay. What are the values? Okay, so I'll have to. What is n? Okay, so n is pretty small. N is also very small, 30, right? What should I do? Should I try a brute force? Given base मतलब कितने होते हैं? What is the maximum number I'm getting? If it is pretty small, then in that case, I'll be good to go. But if it is not, that would be the issue, right? Okay, these values are pretty small. I think I should just give it a try. Hmm, okay. Okay, no, values are pretty big. 6958796. Okay, it's already in 10.6 and we have not even gone to 30. Yeah, I'll do that, I think so. What do I have to do in that case? I'll have to generate these. Hmm. Okay, now this is a tough one. Hmm. 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 Okay, so I need to check for I equals 1, I less than equals to, let's call it 1000, I plus plus, if check, if checking I in C++. So how many numbers in range of 1 to 1000 are palindrome in base 10? Okay, there are quite a lot. Let's see in 10 by 5 how many numbers we have, such numbers we have. Okay, not much. 1000 is still pretty small number. Okay, if there are that many less numbers, then if I write some program which can generate these numbers pretty efficiently, I should be good, I think, in that case. Wait a minute. And the Asus square alarm. Okay. 10,000 in case of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 plus 7, right? 10,000. It's okay, right? Difference of 3. Okay. Let's define a base also. Let's call it base, say 3. If check. First we have generator based on the string. Convert. Then I'll give a number and a base. So how do you convert a number in base 10 to base to some specific base? Okay, so every time we take a modulo with that. Okay, I think I got it. String answer equals empty. So I'll say while this number is greater than 0. Okay, so answer plus equals to pair of and mod or base. Okay, and n divided by base, right? Then yeah, this should be good. I'm not sure really. I'll test this first. See out. Let's use one of the numbers I've used. Let's use 212. 2122. See out convert 212 and base 3. Okay, so this is pretty messed up. Why? Yeah, it would be because I had to right here plus yeah. Yeah, it's good now. Okay, cool. Okay, so now I'll say if check string. Okay, I'll just comment this string out. If check string of convert I. Okay, and then I'll say answer plus plus. Move this part out. Base 3 till 10 power 7, right? Run this. Okay, got it. So forgot base. Not too many numbers. 6, 7, 5, 8. It's actually smaller than that as well. Okay, let's see for base 5. If I run this. Okay, could there be some pattern as well? I think about um let's look for pattern. Okay, let's just take a look at these numbers because these numbers are very common kind of numbers. 121, 71, then we have 292. Is there any difference? 121, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I need more numbers. Okay. The very first thing, they're increasing very fast. Oh, okay. I just find out this series only. What is this? What is the formula? Is there any formula for this? Hmm. ये है क्या कोड है क्या ये? वहां जाने में क्या लिख दिया इसने? ये सही भी वैसे 27 और 20 बोल रहा ना वो, हाँ सही भी है। ओके, तो अगर मैं सर्च करूँ कि इसको थोड़ा एक स्पेसिफिक पीस में और इसमें, तो है इसके पास अल्टरनेट पीस 3, लेट्स से। ये वाला कॉपी करना पड़ेगा थोड़े से नंबर। ओके, 124 121 पर 121 इसमें भी है। ओके, 151 212। कुछ तो मिलना चाहिए ना इससे, मिलेगा। Is there any formula? हम्म। अरे हाँ, मैं तो ये कॉपी कर सकता हूँ ना यहाँ से। हार्ड कोड कर देता हूँ, 30 वाली से मिल ही जाएंगी मेरे को। अरे हाँ बे, सही में। तो हाँ, हमने कितने लोगों ने किया है अभी? ज़्यादा लोगों ने नहीं किया, आई एम श्योर। 25 लोगों ने फिर भी कर दिया। Please, what if I search like this? Good. So I'll say vector integer, um, base of what? 30. So I have only 10 bases right, so this is good. So for int I is equals to 2, I less than equals to less than equals to 9, I plus plus. So, okay, not like this. I'll have to initialize like base of 2 is equals to something. Okay. Can we use 0 as well? No. So these are the numbers. I'm not sure how many numbers there are. Let's see. No, base. Three and ten. What is this? Base 4 के साथ मिलेगा क्या? Base 4 and 10. Okay, 9 10 मिल गया ना, पहले हम लोग 19 कर देते हैं. Okay, 9 is not required. We need it till. Okay, 9 is required, right? So base 9 equals something. I hope these are 30 numbers. If they're not, then I will be in trouble. 1, 2, 3. Ah, they are more than 30 for sure. Base 7 हमें नहीं होनी चाहिए. 3 and 10 हो गया. 4 and 10. This is what I need. Base 5, right? Okay, 7 also I got now. 6. Yeah, they should give some formula if there is. I don't think there's any formula in that case. Base 6. Also for 6 is this one. Oh no. What is left? Oh no, this is horrible. How do I find the remaining 2, 3, 4? One left with is the numbers are pretty big. Base 5 is something, and then I'll have to do for base 8. These two are left, right? 5 and 8. Okay, yeah. I'll do this manually for 5 and 8. Check 10 of I. Then what do I do is I display like numbers without I, and then it should be good in displaying I, right? So it's equal 100 only, if this is correct. Okay, to verify, yeah, I can do this for let's say 7. This is 5, 6, 8. Yeah, so let's do it for 500. Seems good. 242, 2292. Huh, it's good. So just need to generate 5, right? Till how much? This one of you. Or maybe I didn't need to generate this at all. I could just write a brute force. In that case, this is terrible. What? Okay, I'll use these only. Maybe this is there on OS. Yeah, it was there, but it was not showing it. Okay, this is good now. We just need for basic. Basic is also not showing, so we can generate a few numbers. Yeah, all these were there, but they're not showing that list. Cool. And hopefully now all these have 30 elements or more. That would make sure that 4, 8I equals 2, I less than equal to 9, I plus plus. I have to print I and base of I dot size, right? Just return something, return 0, let's run code. What is this? Semicolon? Okay, I. Oh no, 5 is less number of elements, that's an issue. And 7 also, 5 and 7. No. What number did I get in? 5? Oh no, this is a horrible thing. The last one was pretty huge, right? What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no, I need two numbers. More than this written per line. And what was this? Number 9. CodeChef ID will not even support this. Um, if only I had this set up on my system, that worked. Hash Bitcoin. Okay, so what do I do now? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do I do? So it's going to give me a TLE for sure, man. But how do I run this on a? Uh, yeah, they probably had set up locally. Going to give me TLE for sure. It should work within 5 to 10 seconds, right? So I can try to have a different ID maybe. Let's just run this simply, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? Okay, it ran for 5 seconds and just stopped altogether. More options, and let's give it 15 seconds. This is a premium feature. Okay, okay, let's check code process, but I don't think even they will give me this much time problem. Hmm. Let's go in contest. Um, There's a no way I didn't get the other two number. Oh yeah, these are also the same thing, right? 88, 252. Let me check. Yeah, this is the same list. What do I need now? I had this number right. 6761. 6761, right? So I need this number. The next one. Right. And for base 8 as well, I need something similar. Is this it? No, no. Base 8, few numbers I need. 121, all these ones. Control C. Okay. Yeah, so the last number I used was 182 and then something. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, I need this number, the next number, this number, and this number. Let's run it. Run code. 30, 30. Okay, 7 was less, right? 8 was okay. Control Z. And it was 7. Okay, what was the last number I think it was 4586. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, this one. 6145. Cool. So for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So let's say num answer equal to 0, answer plus equal to piece of k of I. And it simply returns answer. I'm not sure if I please error or, but it should be good. I think so. 25 for 2037910. Seems good. I make a submission and then check. Accepted. Now there should be some smart way to do this, but yeah, I don't want to find that out now. Just want to solve it. Oh no, I mean I think it was easy only because people have done it pretty fast. Okay, then I messed up. Messed a bit and I should have maybe written a brute force. Okay, let me check what is the maximum number I was getting here. It's something like this. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it won't work within time limit. I don't know how people are doing this though. Okay, but did I manage to get in the top 200? Yeah, I think so. Mhm. It should be into top 200 somewhere here. Because I have only 49 minutes. Yeah, I just took too much time on the last problem. Let's see if my rank refreshes. Okay, I'll just quickly go through all the problems. The first one, yeah, in this case, I don't think we needed two loops. We could have done it linearly, can we? So for every house, we know, let's talk about, let's say, this house. So what do we want to find? We want to, okay, we want to find what is the leftmost house which is not of same color as me. How do I do that? How do I do that? Okay, let's see here. So for this color, this is this. Okay, yeah, I think there should be some way. I'm not able to think right now. But yeah, the questions were pretty low, so it did work. And this one was also fairly easy. Yeah, we just see if we can, water the earth plant. If we can, then we do it. Otherwise, we go back. Just nothing but we just check the values. If the remaining water in the mug is greater than the value we require for that plant. Yeah, we just take one step from the previous one and we reduce the amount of water by that value. Otherwise, we go back to the source and then we come back. So we go back in i's test because we are currently standing at the previous position, not I. Okay. And the one is the position, which is the current position. in terms of distance. And also my amount of water after I water this plant will be reduced. So that seems to work. But yeah, I should have done the fourth problem. That's okay. This one was also fairly easy. So we wanted to find out in a given range in the array how many occurrences of a given value are there. So for example, in the range 1 to 2, so that is this range. How many fours are there? So yeah, so we have only one four. Another one from 0 to 11. Okay, I think this is a complete range maybe. So we want to find out 33 how many times occurred. So one here and then one here. So we have two occurrences. How do I get this? Since you know that all the values are pretty small, 10 by 4, I just made a array of vectors where position of I means all the positions where the number I was occurring. So yeah, I in the initialize constructor method, what I did was I for every number in the array, I just inserted its position into that corresponding position array. All right, so during query, what we do is we I'm doing two binary searches. I'm not sure if we can do this using one. Maybe we can, but I don't think so. So yeah, I did first binary search to find out, the first index in that position of value array, where where the index is greater than equals to left. Okay, and I store it into some variable x, and then I do the same to find the largest index in the pos value array, where the value that the value is less than or equal to right. So I store that into y, and finally I return y minus x plus 1. So this is an addition to handle cases when the thing was found, no value satisfied condition. Okay, then the fourth one, yeah. So I don't know why, but it's okay. I think the constraints were pretty low, so I was able to do this. I think if the constraints were high, maybe I don't know. But yeah, this well list is pretty big, so they couldn't have given higher constraint because we have really large numbers. But maybe they could have given us modular or something. I'm not sure. So this is also fairly easy. If you if you look at um, the pattern. Okay, so this contest worked out okay. Not great, but not bad. 160, no, that's good, I think, considering what I did in the last question. All right, thanks for watching.